How to start affiliate marketing for beginners this 2023. Okay, if you happen to be a beginner that is looking forward to starting affiliate marketing, I have a new method for you that you can actually take advantage of when it comes to becoming an affiliate marketer or promoting affiliate products online for the sake of making money or for the sole aim of making money. So guys, without as much of our time, let me take you down to the full process, step-by-step guide as to how you can actually start affiliate marketing as a total beginner. So it's very simple. Just come over to Google, open up a brand new browser here, then search for mangools. Okay, then as you can see here, mangools, then you hit on it. Then as you can see right here, this is the one I'm actually talking about, Mangools Juicy SEO tool you will love. Then you just quickly click on it. Then as soon as you click on it, it's actually going to bring you to the Mangools website or the Mangools official website. As you can see, Mangools is actually an SEO tool. If you don't know what SEO actually means, SEO basically means search engine optimization. When it comes to internet, what actually controls the internet or what actually controls the internet space, especially for content creation and all of that, is actually SEO. SEO is what actually help your content rank, especially if you're a content creator. Maybe you share content on your blog or website, or maybe you share content on your YouTube channel. SEO is what to actually help your content rank. So Mangools happens to be an SEO tool, or it happens to be a tool, or it happens to be a software that will actually help you with SEO, or that actually help you succeed with SEO as a content creator. So there are ways you can actually make money from Mangools without even have to buy this software, because Mangools is not actually for free. You have to pay for Mangools if you need their SEO services. But you are the affiliate marketer here. You are not the one that want to make use of this Mangools product, okay? And you can actually promote this Mangools product and make cool cash from it. That's why I want to show you this new strategy of affiliate marketing that can actually help you make cool cash online. So without as much of our time now, let's quickly know what Mangools is all about before I take you down to the affiliate program. I want this video to be as brief as possible because Mangools actually have an affiliate program that you can join and make money from it. So if you come over to the SEO tools right here, you're going to find the type of SEO tool or the service or the SEO services that Mangools actually renders, like keyword research. Mangools actually help content creators with keyword research. They help with SERP analysis. They help with rank tracking. Then they equally help with backlink analysis, and they equally help with SEO metric and insight. Okay, so these are all of the services that Mangools render to content creators or render to its users as an SEO tool. And Mangools is actually a very nice and high recommendation if you are a content creator. If you happen to be a content creator that mostly work with SEO, you can actually go for Mangools today. So without much of our time now, let's scroll down now to the bottom line section where we can actually find the Mangools affiliate program, which is the reason why we are here. Like I said, I want to show you a way to actually start affiliate marketing as a beginner this 2023. The easiest way, you don't need to go through any tedious process to join. It's very simple to get started with. So take a look at this affiliate program right here. All you just have to quickly do is to hit on it. Then it's going to take us to the affiliate section of Mangools Juicy SEO tool. So this is it, guys. Mangools SEO affiliate program, you can actually get 30% lifetime commission by promoting Mangools SEO tool, used and loved by people all around the world. So this is the amazing thing, or this is the most amazing thing about Mangools, is that it actually comes with a recurring commission plan. Like if someone gets to sign up to Mangools pricing plan with your link, you actually have the opportunity of earning over and over again if they keep on renewing. And it's a whole 30% lifetime recurring commission that you'll be earning. Imagine, okay, let me just take you back now and show you the pricing plan of Mangools if you are really interested in promoting Mangools. So this is the plans and pricing of Mangools, where you can stay cool and have a 48 hours money back guarantee. That's actually 2 days if you purchase or you pay for the Mangools pricing plan and you do not actually get satisfied with the services you get to discover on the platform or on the pricing plan section. You can actually demand for your money within 48 hours and it will be sent back to you. So it's guaranteed 100%. Mangools is a reliable platform and it's highly trusted. So as you can see, the Mangools basic plan per month is actually going for $29. Then Mangools premium plan per month is actually going out for $44. Then the Mangools agency plan is actually going out for $89. If someone you recommend Mangools to finally purchase, let's say the Mangools agency plan or even if it's just the mangools premium plan or the mangools basic plan, this is $29 that this person will have to be renewing on a monthly basis. Then if the person want to pay for just annually, or the person want to pay for a whole year, the person will have to spend $229 per year, and you are actually going to get 30% from this amount of money without having to spend any money. This is a free strategy, or this is a free method as regard affiliate marketing, especially if you happen to be a beginner that do not have money in his or her pocket. So if you scroll down now, you, as you can see, this is actually a pricing plan. You can do the math yourself and know how much you might tend to earn on a monthly basis by simply promoting the mangools SEO tool, because I know most of you watching this video right now might have a lot of audience on your platform, be it on your Instagram page, your Facebook page, your YouTube channel, or wherever you might have audience. You can actually show them or preach to them about mangools, and if they tend to purchase, you earn your current commission for a lifetime. Okay, so let's go back to the affiliate program. Without much of our time, let me walk you through the basic steps and processes as to how you can join the mangools affiliate program and start promoting for them. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is actually the mangools affiliate program, mangools SEO affiliate program. It's very simple now to actually join the mangools affiliate program and become an affiliate marketer for them. As you can see, it actually comes in 2 steps, which will actually permit you to register, then you promote, and you start earning. Then under the registration section, this simple instruction that is clearly stated out there is that there is no approval process for registration. Like, it's free, you just get into the affiliate program ASAP. This is an easy method that I know beginners will want. Nobody want to go through rigorous process or stress. So with mangools affiliate program, you can just get in as fast as possible. Once you have the free mangools account, you automatically get access to the affiliate section. Then this step 2 will actually be you promoting. Like, according to them, we have prepared a highly engaging promo materials. What is promo materials? Promo materials are more like resources that you can actually find very easy and handy to access, and you can grab them and use them to share posts on maybe social media platform, or you can use them to share posts or promotional posts about mangools on any platform that you know you can actually do this thing. Okay, you will find codes with the unique affiliate ID. Just share it and start earning. Okay, you can easily get promo materials here. Now then, the third step, as stated by them, you can get a 30% from every recurring payment. Once you reach the minimum threshold of $150, you can request payout. Payments are made via PayPal. So now, without much of a time, let's quickly register. Let's hit on the register button right here. So as soon as you hit on sign in, as you can see, sorry I didn't inform you before now, I'm already a mangools affiliate program promoter. I've been on mangools for over a year now, and I've been on the affiliate section. So it's very simple. You know, signing up with the affiliate program is just for you to basically input your email, your username, your name, and then your password. Okay, so this is my email address and my password. So what I just have to do now is to quickly sign in. Okay, so as you can see on my mangools account, it's saying, oh, your plan has expired. Yes, my plan has expired. That's because I'm actually on the free plan of mangools SEO tool. I'm actually signed up for the free plan because the reason why I actually came over to mangools was to actually promote their product. Okay, I have to sign up to the affiliate program. That's why I first have to sign up to the free plan before I can get access to the affiliate program. So as you can see, this is actually this tool and the services, but what you just have to do now is to come over to the affiliate section. Take a look at this corner section here, affiliate, then you hit on affiliate, so that it will move us to our affiliate dashboard. So this is my affiliate dashboard. This is my affiliate ID. This is my current dashboard. As you can see, at the moment I don't have any earnings, but I have just 7 clicks. That means people have actually clicked through my referral links, but they didn't actually purchase at the moment. But I hope someday they will purchase, or more people will purchase. So I'll be equally be dropping my mangools affiliate referral link in this video description below, in case you are that person who is struggling with SEO and need the best SEO tool to actually help you with any of your SEO problem. Let's say you happen to be a YouTube content creator, or you happen to be a website content publisher. Let's say you are a blogger, you blog with website, because that's what most people do practically online. They own several websites that they manage, and the best way to actually succeed a website is with the help of proper SEO optimization. So this is my affiliate ID. I'll be sharing it in my video, in this video description link, so that you can equally check it out and sign up. And if you sign up, I make money as well. We all make money and we all go home happy. I have total of 7 clicks, which is very much encouraging. You don't know, 1 click can actually convert You don't need to have thousands of clicks before you can start making money with the Mangools affiliate program. One client can actually, help you make the most amount of money. So this is actually my link. So at the corner section here, you see that they have promo materials. If you open up the promo materials, you're going to find a lot of materials that you can actually use. So this is my affiliate ID that I can easily copy. These are all of the promo materials now. This is my affiliate referral link that I can quickly share on any of my social media platforms, just the way I'll be sharing it in this video description below. This is my link now. Then this is my example link and all of that. Without much of a time, now that you have already discovered how to actually get your affiliate ID or your affiliate promotional link, this is practically affiliate marketing I'm talking about, but it is with the SEO niche. You need to understand niching down in affiliate marketing. Sometimes you can promote health products, you can promote make money online products, you can promote tech products, you can promote any kind of product based on any niche. But today we are promoting the SEO product, or the product we are promoting is under the SEO niche, which happens to be mangools. And beginners on affiliate marketing can do this thing very easy and make cool cash from it. So all you just have to do now is to copy your affiliate link, share it on either your YouTube channel, make a video about Mangools SEO tool, share your link in the video description below. Then you can equally share on Facebook if you have audience, talk about Mangools on your Facebook page, share the link. And if you have enough audience on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on TikTok as well, people are making cool cash from TikTok with the help of affiliate marketing. You can share this link on TikTok as well and make cool cash from it. So that's how easy, guys, it is to actually succeed with affiliate marketing. I'm even very surprised to come and see that I've actually gotten 7 clicks, and this click actually happened, I think, in the last 28 days. So for the past years, I don't know how many clicks that have actually occurred here, and that means I even have to start promoting Mangools affiliate program the more by my own self on my YouTube channel. So I take advantage of YouTube. You can equally take advantage of YouTube to promote Mangools SEO tool as an affiliate marketer. So guys, this is why I have to quickly wrap up the video. I don't want to waste much of your time because this is a beginner's tutorial guide. Do not forget, guys, my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on my YouTube channel is that I teach people how to make money online, the step-by-step tutorial guide as to how you can become an internet marketer, make money online with different tips and strategy, from affiliate marketing down to CPA marketing, down to content creation. I do a lot of stuff. I tutor about a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel. Even I share passive income ideas, different stuff. So if you are joining the community right now, or you are getting to discover me on YouTube right now, maybe this is the first time you're coming in contact my channel or my video, all you just have to quickly do for me is to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell notification icon, and then hit on all, so that whenever I publish a brand new make money online tutorial content that is highly informative, just like this one you've watched, you'll always be the first to get notified, and you'll be the first to start taking action. Like the video, guys, so that the YouTube algorithm will know that this is a highly informative video. Share with your loved ones. In case there's anything you do not understand about the Mangools affiliate program, you can drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll equally walk you through more detailed step or more detailed guide as to how you can actually succeed with the Mangools affiliate program. Until we meet again, guys, in my next Make Money Online tutorial video, I just have to call it a wrap for now. Bye bye. I love you all, and peace.